my friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, this is a bit of a shopping video, but from the comfort of your own home. I'm gonna be talking about Ipsy. Before we get into this, my name is Angela. I like to go shopping and find you the very best product to that very best price. So click that subscribe button and let's talk about Ipsy. So my hairstylist, Shelly, by the way, Shelly, love you. She turned me on to Ipsy. So I was admiring her makeup one day and I was like, Shelly, your makeup looks so good. I just don't have time. I feel like I'm stuck in a rut. I've been doing the same thing for far too long. And she told me about Ipsy. So it is basically a beauty subscription service. So what you do is you go on the Ipsy website and you can take a beauty quiz. And this beauty quiz helps curate this glam beauty bag that you get sent to your mailbox every month with 5 beautiful high-end products. Now, some of these products are mini travel size, some are full size. You also have the option to curate your own bag for your specific needs and style. So if you're not interested in skincare and you just want all makeup, you can click that. If you want to add on specific products, I'm talking high-end products. These aren't just like drugstore makeup. These are really legit high-end products. You can do that. So on a whim, while I had foils in my hair, yes, this is not natural. I went on the website and I took the beauty quiz and I'm so excited because I just picked it up. So I thought that I'd do a little unboxing for you and show you what I got inside. Now, if you are like me, and by the way, I am not sponsored by Ipsy. I'd like to be, but I'm not sponsored by Ipsy. But if you're like me, check it out. I'll put the details in the description down below. But let's see what I got. Okay. It says beauty's best kept secret, and I agree. I've heard a lot about it. There's also like BoxyCharm and other things, but I thought, you know what, let's just start here. Okay, oh boy. Okay, so in here, what does this say? Glow your soul. Soft launch the new year by getting relaxed, recharged, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Nourish your skin, play with color, practice kindness to yourself and others, and make sure you feel pampered every day because the path to getting that glow, both inside and out, starts now. I'm very excited. Okay, so every month you get a little, they call it like a glam bag. So how cute is this little sequin bag? And sequins, yes. Let's see. Okay, so first product here is by First Aid Beauty, the Deep Cleanser with Red Clay. This daily cleanser helps purge the skin and balance sebum production thanks to red clay and rosemary leaf oil, plus antioxidants help fend off environmental aggressors like glycerin, hydrates, and helps to smooth your skin. So, breakouts, yes, are my concern. It's the purge that scares me because it takes so long to heal. But I have used First Aid. I actually use the First Aid primer. So maybe this will work out with my skin. I will give it a go and I will let you know. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. Okay, ooh, this is cool. Love this packaging. This is the Lash Step Mascara. How cool is that packaging? Okay, so this says, this pitch black mascara is here to take care of your lashes. With just one coat, it helps both lengthen and add volume. We love that. And so you can finish off your glam right. It also tells you how much these products are worth. This is worth like $21. The deep cleanser is worth $24. Huh, okay, so let's check out this mascara though. Kind of excited. Oh, take off the plastic. Okay, let's see. What's this wand like? Ooh. Okay, love that. And pink, like anything pink, you had me at hello, so I can't wait to try this out. I love a great mascara. Okay, what's next? All right, Lauren's Vanilla Almond Body Lotion. Yes, okay. This lightweight body lotion has all of your fave nourishing ingredients, vitamin E, shea butter, and coconut oil, plus licorice root extract even helps soothe and calm any inflammation. Oh, and did we mention it smells like delicious vanilla almond goodness? Let's give it a smell. I love a good body lotion, and also like, oh boy, these trial sizes are good to keep too if you're traveling. Okay, let's see. This was in my mailbox, it's a little bit cold. gonna smell. Okay. I like the smell. It's not too greasy. I am picky. I usually just do like Body Shop if I want to do something with shea butter. It's not too greasy. It's quite nice. Actually, it is quite lightweight. Okay, I'm gonna give this a go. I'm excited. Okay, what's next? Okay, this is a very mini product. This is the Veriface Skincare 2020 Eye Cream. Okay, this do-it-all eye cream uses a cocktail of hydrating, firming, and brightening ingredients to help minimize dark circles, soften lines, and smooth rough texture. Yes, please. It says, pat a small amount around your eye area both morning and night. And the full-size version of this product is retailed at $64. So I will definitely give this a try. I am a bit skeptical because my skin is really sensitive and under eye cream doesn't always work out for me. So I need some though. So I'm gonna give this a try. Here's hoping. Okay, this is the last product in my little glam bag. It says this is the Eloise Lip Gloss in Mini in Cupcake. How cute is that? I love a good pink gloss, especially with spring coming. This lightweight lip gloss is a perfect pop of pink to top off your look. It's ultra creamy and richly pigmented, plus the cute mini size makes it so easy to throw in your bag and take with you everywhere. So the full-size version of this product is retailed at $25. Let's give this a little bit of a go. Should I be like all the cute beauty influencers? I'll do a little swatch for you. Okay. It's just nice and light. I have lipstick on me, but I like it because it's not too sticky. Yeah, because I don't like sticky lip glosses, so that is really cool. Okay, well, I am very excited about these 5 products. And like I said, when you take your beauty quiz, it kind of curates a bag for you based on your wishes. But what's really cool is that every month before they ship your bag out, they give you a sneak peek of what they're packing in your bag, and you can kind of change things around. So if you're like, you know what, this month I don't need any more skincare, I want some more lip glosses, you can tick that off and kind of change it based on your needs for the month. So that is super cool. Now, they also send you an email of other products you can add to your bag for really minimal cost and fees. So I did just that. So this is the cutest little thing I've ever seen. I've always wanted to try out Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer. Like, look how tiny that is. Now, this is a perfect way to try it out. I can't remember how much this was. Let's see if I can find it for you. This Tarte Shape Tape, this really mini travel size, it was only $3.50. So I don't mind that. There's actually quite a lot of product in here if you look at it. So that's a great way to try something out if you don't know if you want to buy the full size. So that's a win. Then I also got the Nicole Miller Siren Fragrance. So I'm kind of excited to do this. I'm looking for a new perfume. My husband in my stocking got me the Shoppers Drug Mart perfume sampler, and what's great, there's like 12 different perfumes to sample in like trial sizes. And then they also give you like a gift certificate that you can take to Shoppers and get a full size perfume bottle. So I'm in the midst of doing this. Let me try this. Let's see. Ooh! Oh, this reminds me of something. Oh, I love it. Okay, top notes, fresh ozone, aloe vera, fig, and radiant rose. Mid notes, dewy lilac blooms, freesia bouquet. Base notes, water lily, watery musk, and sandalwood. Oh, it reminds me of something, but oh my goodness. I love it, you guys. If you can find this, definitely try it out. Love this. This is a win. I'm so excited about this. And that was $3.50 as well. Okay, yes. And I got one more thing. There it is. I got another Eloise Beauty lip gloss in the color Berries. I thought that'd just be like a really nice, we're still in winter here. So if you're in Canada, you know Mother Nature isn't done with us yet. So we're still in winter here. So not quite ready for the pinks. But this berry, let's see what this is gonna look like. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I like that. All right, my friends, that is it for today's video. Just a short little video, a little public service announcement. If you're like me, you have time to watch hours of TikTok, Instagram videos of telling you what new makeup trend is in, only to find out that the week later it's all out of style and you have to buy a whole new makeup bag. I don't have time for that. Nobody has time for that. So this is a quick little fix that I think I'm gonna like. Again, I'm not sponsored by Ipsy. I just thought that this was a really great service to update your look. So check out the link in the description down below. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Hi, Bubba. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi. Hi, Bubs. Hi.